So to give you a bit of the lowdown, I'm going to use, I've gone out and purchased a second-hand trampoline, standard 10-foot trampoline from eBay. The in-ground ones are quite expensive, and actually they're not a huge amount different, and I'll get to that in more detail in the future. But the ring, the main part of it, is 10 foot, so we need to construct that section, and then I'm going to use that as a marker, position it where I want it, spray paint that to kind of mark it out so we know where to dig, and then get digging. Now Jo's sister and her boyfriend Johnny are going to come down for the day, and hopefully we can rope them into giving me a bit of a hand. I'm now beginning to think that's quite a big hole to dig. I also want to make sure that I am not coming out from the wall further than around 4 meters, because we're probably going to use synthetic grass here, artificial turf, and they normally come on a 4 meter roll. Well, that's it marked out. Now I need to move it away because it's a bit of a surprise. The girls don't know it's coming. They think we're just digging a hole. They probably won't ask any questions because I do random things like that. So we'll tuck the frame away because I think that's a bit of a giveaway. Okay, the hole is going well. We're down about halfway to what we need to be for the first ledge. This lot aren't quite working as hard. That said, the kids still haven't got a clue what we're doing.
Slightly back towards Trippier. England in their red shirts, trailing by a goal to nil.
We're going to knock it on the head there and call it a day. It's been pretty hard work, bearing in mind it's boiling hot. It's not the most social activity, so I don't really want to use up the whole day doing this. We had about an hour and a half, 2 hours on it, and we're down to the point where the whole lot is graded around it, and we're down to the 300mm step, which is where all the legs will sit. And then that inside circle which you saw is where we need to start the bowl, and I'm going to dig down around another 500mm or so, because for a 10-foot trampoline it suggests, most of the research I've done, about 750 deep in the deepest part. You can kind of make a bit of a gradient there, so we don't need to dig it too much. I'll probably over dig it a little bit and chuck a bit of gravel in there, but I'm not too fussed about that. I think we should be fairly well drained down here. England lost the football, but we're going to drown our sorrows and celebrate our digging with some pizzas. It's a lot of cheese, dude.
I know. I love
Spread it out. I know you love cheese, but...
some spinach.
Well, that was a success. We've managed to get a fair bit done. Good pizzas. If you haven't seen the pizza oven video, there's a whole series on the build of that, and it went down pretty well. That was from a couple of years ago. I'll leave that at the end of this. But that's it. Next time we'll carry on digging. I'll probably go solo on that, dig the rest of it out, and then we'll do the install of the trampoline. But we still haven't told them. They still haven't got a clue what's going on down there. Bizarrely, they haven't even asked. But anyway. That's the madhouse we live in. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.